There's something magical about a space that's both historic and full of possibility, and that's exactly what this property offers. Welcome to the Rumford Falls First Baptist Church, a true piece of Maine's history, built in 1902 and standing tall as a landmark of craftsmanship, character, and community spirit. From the moment you step inside, you can feel the sense of pride and artistry that went into its creation. Original woodwork, soaring vaulted ceilings, and magnificent stained glass windows fill the space with warmth and color. Every beam, every curve, and every ray of light tells a story that's been over a century in the making. The sanctuary remains beautifully intact, showcasing intricate details and remarkable acoustics. The perfect space for gatherings, performances, or creative repurposing. Downstairs, the basement surprises you with a full hardwood basketball court and even shower stalls, a testament to the church's role as both a spiritual and social hub for generations. Imagine the possibilities here: an event venue, a community center, an artists collective, or even a stunning residential conversion. The canvas is wide open for visionaries ready to bring this building into its next life. So whether you're an investor, creator, or dreamer with a love of history and design, this is one you'll want to see in person. The Rumford Falls First Baptist Church, where the past meets the